Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be showing you how to upload pictures on Google Bard. So let's get started. To begin, open your browser and type bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, I suggest doing so before proceeding. Once you are inside the platform, locate the plus icon and give it a click. Then, opt for the upload file choice and select an image from your computer storage. Confirm your action by pressing the enter key. Just like that, you are on your way to effortlessly incorporating images using Google Bard. It's a smooth process, straightforward, speedy, and incredibly effective. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your visuals with the streamlined approach of Google Bard. Give it a try and watch your creative possibilities unfold. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.